Zex, I am happy that I'm here. Very proud of you. You know that you're a true representation of ghetto. Ghetto never dead. Ghetto keep going on and on and on. From the days of Rasta Rob MC to the days of Menton Summer to the days of Captain Zigzag to the days of Bobi Wine, now the days of Zex Inchikumi. The legend keeps going on and on and on and on and on and on. Zex is happy. I'm proud to be part of your story. Proud to come from the same ghetto. And this should be a testimony to all the ghetto youths. Not even the sky is the limit. We keep going, keep doing what we're doing. Just happy to be your friend, to be part of family. Never fellow artist. Back in the days, but artists twali twagalana nnyo ngera tuyiga nnyo from each other. Let's bring back that love because that love never dead. We artists are much more than we look at ourselves. Okay? Yeah man, kadage sexy. Nange chayina mukulago muli. Nange jukulu.
Too much